Hey everyone, come with me as we go to Singapore for the Eras tour. We left the condo around 12 midnight of March 28th, and then we arrived at the airport, and then bag drop lang for our checked-in baggage, and then onto immigration. During this time, kinakabahan na kami whether we can make it, but thankfully we made it, and then we rented the Wi-Fi, and then we waited for our boarding time, and then we realized na your credit cards could help you avail the lounges. Kaya na pumili kung anong tama sa airport, and then luckily we were able to chill and eat there. And then we headed to our boarding gate na. And then, oh my god, this is it. We're going to Singapore na. This is it. Then, here's a quick video from us. Just trying to be cute. And all. And, wala pang araw nung umalis kami. And, yeah. Right during those times, sobrang happy lang kami at excited. And, morning na. Because our flight is around 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. ata. And then we arrived in Singapore, safe and sound. Yes. And then, gabi, I was so... it's my second time around. Pero na-amaze pa rin ako of how efficient and how convenient yung immigration checks sa Singapore, and then how they manage everything. And then, since super early kaming dumating, we decided to go to Changi, Jewel Mall, to kill some time while we wait for our check-in hour sa hotel namin, which is around 2 p.m. pa. And this is around 10 a.m. pa ata. So, we have a lot of time to, to chill and explore. And super pagod na kami during these hours. So, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami sa Jewel. Actually, guys, sobrang daming pwede nyong gawin sa Jewel. Just have to explore. At, Diyos ko, dapat sipagan lang talaga sa paglalakad, sa pagbibit-bit ng maleta, and all of that. They do have trolleys, pero hindi mo kasi siya maakyat floor per floor. So, ayun. We visited. I'm so happy kasi merong Pokemon Center or Pokemon store here sa Jewel. So if you're a Pokemon fan, you better check this one out and buy your favorite Pokemons. And then we explored and we tried this hologram, and then we went to check the famous fountain again. And then we wanted to try sana the activities, but we realized it's super hot. So for the nood na lang muna kami. And then, by 2 p.m. or by 1:30, I guess, we decided na let's go nasa hotel so we could freshen up, rest for a bit, and then, ayun, makaalis na rin. And then, end up, nakatulog kami, and then pagising namin gabi na. So, we decided to grab some dinner na lang and eat. And we had this very delicious food with a very interesting taste dito sa store sa baba ng hotel namin. And then, nagutom na naman kami ulit around morning. So, nag-order din kami ng food. And then, yeah, here's the morning after. And then we're trying to figure out the mode of transportation kasi nung last time na I've been here, sobrang lost ako. And then we decided for today we'll visit first the National Museum of Singapore, and then here are some few videos from the museum. Sobrang interesting niya since sobrang dami mong matututunan about Singapore, about art, and how they preserve a lot of things. And that's probably interesting kasi we usually do see museum as very oldish, pero sila parang super updated. And then even their artifacts or even their collections are still super super nice. Parang ngayon lang siya ginawa. And we had this quick, goofy, just trying to be cute. And I'm not sure why I took a video of this map, but it's just interesting. And then we did this activity, which is exploring a world of plastic. You just have to find some clues, and then there's a game you have to complete. And then after it, we proceed to fourth canning, and this is the famous Instagrammable spot. Pero hindi na kami pumila kasi sobrang haba ng pila. And then we went to the mall, Clarky Quay Mall, sa Clarky, and then we tried to explore it during the day. And to be honest, wala pala masyadong tao during the day sa Clarky. I'm not sure if life here starts during or at night. And then we tried the famous Singapore River Cruise. We explored I think the main sites of Singapore: Merlion, the Marina Bay Sands, the Helix Bridge, the famous observatory. And then ride home, my sister and her friends, we met for dinner. And then we had this unlimited hot pot and meat for this. And then we went home to prepare for the next day. And yeah, I was so tired. I was like super tired kasi even if nasa bahay na ako, if nasa hotel na ako, I still have to work kasi after the whole day. Kasi, alipin tayo ng pera. Alipin tayo ng salapi. And then for the next day, we went to Universal Studios. It's Universal Studios Singapore Day. And then sobrang happy ko pa during this time. And I thought this is gonna be a happy day, but I was so scared, traumatized, and all of that. We tried the Transformer ride first, and then we did the Revenge of the Mummy, and I was gooped, gagged, and flabbergasted. And then ang cute ng mga animals na nakita mo dito. Andito si Alvin of the Chipmunks. Charot. And then the first food of the day, sobrang sarap pero sobrang mahal din, so deserve gastos pa more. And then they had a lot of shows during in the afternoon. Sobrang dami na. There's this Transformers, Street and then we visited the castle as well for Shrek. And then Puss in Boots, Giant. There's also rides here, but hindi ko na talaga pinush kasi sobrang nakakapagod. And then we went to Orchard nung kinagabihan to check out some of the stores and do shopping. And then end up nagastos na naman. Ubusan na lang talaga ng pera. And then the next day, it was the day of their concert. So, habang nagko-concert or habang nag-attend ng concert ng kapatid ko, we tried exploring Haji Lane. Meron sobrang daming pwedeng gawin, photo booths, cafes to check out, stores for different souvenirs and all of that. And super aesthetic ng place. Kaso nga lang, sobrang challenging kasi umuulan that time. So, ang hirap kumuha ng pictures, sobrang daming tao and all of that. And then we went to Little India. And then I'm so happy kasi bumalik kami sa Orchard to try that famous ice cream. And then we tried some famous drinks as well. And then during the next day na, wala na ako masyadong video from the previous days. And then we decided to go to grab some merch. And then we went to Marina Bay Sands for the Taylor Swift Eras Tour Trail. And then that was so cute. And then, but Castles, hindi siya isa. So you have to explore almost the whole Marina Bay Sands for you to be able to take some photos of all the Taylor Swift trail. Then we went to Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome. Cute siya. If you're a fan of flowers, if you're a fan of heights, you better check this one out kasi nanginginig ako habang nandiyan ako sa taas. But yeah, it was super nice. Ang gaganda ng flowers, ang ganda, as in super well taken care of. And then at night we watched the light show sa Gardens by the Bay. And we also watched the light show, the Aerostar light show at the Marina Bay Sands. And it was super nice. Everyone was singing Taylor Swift songs, and then we had dinner at Newton Center. And then the next day we went to our hotel because we booked a Taylor Swift concert via Klook, and there's this package with a hotel, 1-day hotel stay. And then we went to Sitani, Laguna, Singapore, and then that's where we stayed. We went there. Luckily, we were able to do early checked-in, and then we were able to prepare. And then after preparing, we went directly to the National Stadium. And sobrang dami ng Swifties, as in nagkakagulo na, and nawala na, balo na lang talaga nung nakita ko yung screen. Kasi this is it. This is really, really is it. Ang bongan-bongan to the highest level. Ganung level. And then, Sabrina Carpenter, my love, started the show. Super nice, super giving. Si Ate Girl, laban lang. And then, of course, her famous closing spiel about, singing about the place where she's doing it. So, and then nabaliw na. Ito yung last 2 minutes of me being sane. And I went insane. Like, literally, figuratively, financially, emotionally, physically, and everything. And all of that. And then si mama mo. Si mama ko. Si mama Taylor. OA. Pero talaga, sobrang OA ko talaga during this time. Kasi, sino man namang hindi magiging OA for today's video? Sino bang hindi? Basta ako. I was like super, the whole concert, I was just singing, screaming, crying, and all of that. And yeah, probably it was just, it was just full of emotions. Sobrang happy ko lang talaga that I was able to get here and watch her, my mother, my love, my savior. In terms of songs though, because I only have one savior, which is God. And then sing along si Badet. This, as in, sobrang saya, guys. As in, what an experience. And I really want to thank Taylor Swift for, unlocking a core memory. Yes, core memory, emotionally, financially, physically, and everything, all of that in one great night. Like, as in, grabe talaga. And, thinking about it, ilang months mo siyang hinintay, and then it's finally there, and then all of a sudden, parang shit, ayaw mo siyang matapos, ayaw mong mag-end, kung pwede lang mag-pause doon, kung lang muna for like a day. But just like any other good things, everything must come to an end, and I was just so happy, given the chance to watch this very beautiful concert with my very favorite artist. Felt good, felt nice, it feels correct, and I deserve it. And OA na kung OA, pero wala kang pambiling ticket. Charot lang. I know a lot of people tried getting a ticket, but it was really a war. It was really so difficult to get a ticket. And I hope that, even those that were not able to watch this may be inspired or may be motivated by the videos taken by those who were able to go there. And ang saya lang talaga. The whole experience was totally amazing. And even up until the very end, I was so happy and I was so blessed to see how a lot of people could gather in one place and celebrate something that was artistically made. The songs, the actions, the chants, the screams, and all the love that we're able to give to our favorite artist, Taylor Swift. As in, sobrang walang kapalit. As in, sobrang na-enjoy ko na lang talaga yung buong show. As in, sobrang daming nangyari, sobrang daming performance, and alam mo yung kung pwede lang ulit-ulitin siya, ulit-ulitin mo. Pero kaso nga lang, ang mahal be. So good for those who were able to watch it for, twice, thrice, even 4 times. Siguro someone, I think someone out there watch it 4 times in different places naman. So experience then. But the whole concert was just full of joy, love, and celebration of all the Swifties out there from different parts of the world. And I was just so happy to be a part of that, one big memorable moment. And I'll do it again if given a chance. So here's a quick selfie from us. And then nung uwian time na lang talaga ng night 3, as in ang lala, sobrang daming tao, umuulan ng malakas sa labas ng bahay ni mama. Tas buti na lang, while waiting for the MRT, we were able to check out this party, and then we went home, and then we had breakfast the next day, and then I had a quick dip at the pool, and then after checking out, we went to Boogie Street, and we explored a lot of things there. We ate some food, and then we bought some items for pasalubong, and end of the day. And then the next day, we decided to check out Madame Tussauds, and then sobrang daming interesting figures, pero mostly hindi ko kilala. So I'm so sorry self for being so dumb. I'm like, buti na lang they have this cute indoor boat ride. Sobrang amazing. It's like you're doing Singapore River Cruise but indoor. Ganon. Tapos, as in, sobrang dami mong pwede makita and all of that. And guess what? Andun din si mama. I was like, what the freak? And then, end of the day, and then, we went home. And then, the next day, wala na masyadong video preparation to go back to the Philippines. And that's it. Bye.